Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
Welcome back to Unbox Solutions with me right here on Refresh, Relax, Renew podcast. It's our first segment, yes? So this is episode 25. We're happy to be here. And today we're diving into a problem that so many of us face: small spaces. Small spaces. Whether you're in a dorm, a studio apartment, or just trying to maximize that little corner in your bedroom, finding the right desk can feel impossible, but not anymore. Today, I'm unboxing not one, but two compact, foldable, no assembly desks that promise to make your small space life a whole lot easier. It's also good for persons who are like myself, whether you're recording your home, still navigating small spaces where you might have to pack up your things. You set up and you pull down, right? Things like these work very, very well. Now, the first product, as you can see on the screen, is the Lutown Teen Folding Desk. So that's first up, the Lutown Teen Folding Computer Desk in black. It's 32 inches wide, so think compact, but big enough for your laptop, a notebook, and maybe even a cup of coffee. Well, right now I have a television on it. It's right over there in this room. Yes. What I love already is this is no assembly required. Okay, no assembly required. No, a lot of screws and that means no tools, no 2-hour battles with instruction manuals. Just fold it out and you're good to go. All right. In this case, there are two latches that you have to you latch it, right, for it to stay in place. Now, let's open it. Here we go. And of course, I love the sound of unboxing. Yeah. So that's me in my living room. Opening it. Yes. Mhm. See, the package is not too big either. It's manageable. Mm. Oh yeah. Rip it apart. I love the sounds. I love the sound of the popping. I like that. There it is. Okay, I like this matte black finish. And that's the manual. Instructions. Yeah. And with this one, this desk, I feel like this desk is a little bit more fancy, so to speak. Like it's really, really cute. And because of the latch for me, just for me, it's not something that I would open up, set up and pull down every single day, right? It's something that I feel like it has a capacity to be folded, but every now and again. You know what I mean? It's not necessarily something I want to be having that I use every single day, like when I'm recording my studio. That's not what I want, because my studio recording, I set up and I pull down. So I wouldn't necessarily want to do that with this particular thing. But if you're somebody who, for example, if you do rental and every now and again you have to relocate, things like these are really, really good. And I find it's so cute to me. I have it right here with a monitor on it, a television on it, and it's really, really cute. I love the matte finish, the matte black finish. It feels modern, sleek, and works perfectly if you're into minimal setups. The frame feels sturdy, but it's lightweight enough to move around if you need to shift from bedroom to living or tuck it away when guests come over. I love it. Look at that. It's gorgeous. No scratch, nothing. This is definitely a solutions for teens, students, or anyone needing a quick study corner for small bedrooms. It's a lifesaver, and it's not just for a study corner, but also if you need a little table inside your room where you can put things, set things up, like for me, like if you want like a little quiet corner to read, or you need a little quiet corner to, it's like a nice little table to use. It's really really cute. I love it. Now the second one, now let's move on to the TEMI Small Computer Desk. A little bigger at 35.8 inches, and this one comes in a warm brown wood tone. That's what I'm actually using right now for my recording. Right away, it gives off a cozy vibe that could easily fit into a dorm room, a small apartment, or even a bedroom office nook. Let's unbox this one now. I love this one. I love the color. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. It goes with my setup, my earthy thing. I love earthy experiences. Yeah, so that's me again in my living room, unboxing it. Yes. So it says 36 inches. I have here 35.8, but yeah, 36 inches. Yeah. Yeah. And this one, to me, this one is a lot more portable in the sense that this I can pull up and pull down like 2 or 3 times a day. You know what I mean? I wouldn't do that with the other one. And then the latch should make it a little bit, that one for me, I feel like set it up, set it up and let it stay for longer terms. But this one, easy. Pull down and you have some, the bottom, the thing at the bottom, I guess it's floor protector or whatever, or for ease of movement. That's the only thing that's the only thing I had to install or add to it. Yeah. But other than that, it was perfectly fine. You just open it and it's ready to go. And this is just perfect. Perfect. Look at that. It's gorgeous. The fold out action is smooth, and again, no assembly, just like the Lutown. You literally open it and start working. I noticed the surface feels a little wider, and that's because of the size. So if you want to set up a monitor or keep a few books and accessories nearby, you've got that extra room. For me, I use it with my laptops because I have a double screen, works perfectly. Yeah, so if you want to set up a monitor or keep a few books and accessories nearby, you've got that extra room. It's also portable, so if you're like me and sometimes like to rearrange your space for fresh energy, I like that. This is going to be super 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 convenient. And like I said, if you're someone if you need something you pull down and set up and pull down on a regular basis, like 1-2 times a day, multiple times a week, I would more recommend this one. But that if you have like a bedroom that you want is more chic. No, I'm not a design, nothing like that. But the other one to me is a little more fancy. You know what I mean? Not that this isn't, but that one is this is very computer desk. The other one seems more multifunction to me, is what I'm trying to say. Right. So which one's right for you? If you're looking for ultra compact, sleek and simple, go for the Lutown 32-inch black desk. If you need a touch more space and prefer that warm wood tone aesthetics, the TEMI 35.8-inch, 36 inches brown desk is your solution. Both are portable, both fold up when not in use, and best of all, no assembly headaches. That's it for today's unboxing solutions. Which desk would fit your space better, the modern black or the cozy brown? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to simplify and beautify your small spaces. Now, this has been episode 25 of Unbox Solutions with me. Until next time, refresh your space, relax your mind, and renew your vision. But before we close out, of course, we have a tip for you. So let's go to that now. All right. So today's unboxing tip: did you know that portable, no assembly furniture like these desks actually reduces stress and boosts productivity? Did you know that? Studies show that saving time on setup and easily adapting your space makes small space living not only more functional, but way more comfortable. Yes. So remember, unboxing isn't just about pretty packaging. Test, function first, and the beauty will follow. Remember, as nice as these desks are, you want to do your research, you want to check the reviews, get some idea of what other people's experiences are like. That's what we mean by functionality, just to make sure. And also, don't just buy willy nilly just because you want something cute. Buy what you actually need, what you have use for. All right, so that's our tip for today. And we are going to move on to our next segment. Thank you for staying with me. To open new packages. Finally, there will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.